This is Stefanie from Stefaniasilkarts with another of my poems from Poetry of a Female Painter. And as you can see, this is about the sea as well. We are talking about rain on Rhodes. They warn me of the rain. Rain on Rhodes. If it rains here, it rains. The air is heavy with this rain, since days. She's like a heavily pregnant woman. First, the sun disappears. Then the clouds move in. Slow clouds that hover and do not move away. I can smell this rain too. Rain that does not show itself, or would simply pour down like a Caribbean rain. No, this rain has a waiting list. There is thunder in the air, while the wind that slashes the leaves against my window in the night, that same wind howls over the sea, which turns dark green and grey, wearing a short crown of bitey waves, becoming one with those clouds. They dampen, thicken themselves, lay moist and heavy on your mind, cooling you down, your skin, cooling those walls, your linen. There is no escape from this rain, which still does not appear. In the morning, finally, the rain is raining. It drains. My tree outside the window is crying heavily. Big tears running down its tree leaves. They build whole avenues running back into the Aegean Sea. And as the cats, those shy island cats of Rhodes do, that now have all but disappeared into their hiding places, their street palaces, much the same, I wish to take shelter in my pillows, if only to wait it out. Only my alarm clock reminds me, knocks me out. There is no space for such trivial pursuit. Never mind the rain. There still is business as usual, and no umbrella in my suitcase. Thank you for watching. This is Stefanie Wilhelm from Stefaniasilkarts and my poetry on Amazon, Poetry of a Female Painter. Thank you, I love you. Bye.